into what is Flare 2.0, what are the elements of it, and if fundamentally the staking product is a product that will be built primarily on Flare 2.0, although it will be built on Flare 1 because they want to get it out ASAP. But it'll have to make some compromises for Flare 1. It'll be less, they won't have to make those compromises as we have protocol managed wallets. So look, Flare 2.0 is about how we use TEs. Two things are going to come out of that. Protocol managed wallet, which is a particular application of TEs, so that a protocol on Flare can manage funds on another chain. So literally the output of a protocol can manage funds. Like I go to a protocol on Flare, I say I want to do XYZ, that protocol can then go and execute it for me on another chain. And that can get very, very, I can say many complex things. Like I can say, let's say that protocol is managing XRP and it's also managing a Bitcoin wallet. So it's got, users have deposited large amount of XRP and users have deposited large amount of Bitcoin. Let's say that protocol is a lending protocol. So traditionally you would bridge those tokens and then put them into a lending protocol. And that will still happen. People will still be bridging F assets from XRP and Bitcoin and Doge and other tokens from other networks, smart contract networks to Flare, and using them in Kinetic in the traditional way. But protocol managed wallets, just as a concept, gives you an idea that a protocol can manage those funds directly on another chain. Now, they may choose to take the token instead, the wrapped representation, but they don't have to. You could create a lending system for XRPL against RLUSD directly between XRP and RLUSD using a protocol on Flare with protocol managed wallets. Protocol managed wallets is the first protocol that will come out of our Flare 2.0. The second protocol is going to be around compute. Protocol managed wallets are a form of compute, but they're not a rich form of compute. They do a very specific thing. They allow a TE to hold a public key. They allow a protocol and Flare's validators to sign the output of what has happened on the network and send that to the TE. The TE can then process that and sign based on Flare's consensus. This is critical to understand. Protocol managed wallets allow us to basically apply Flare's consensus to execution of transactions on other chains. They're kind of like the first step towards large, interesting things you can do with compute. They're like the most urgent step in terms of things you can do with compute for Flare. But the next iteration is, okay, what more can we do with compute? I want people to be able to build basically anything they want and to be able to put that in a set of TEs that are safe and for a protocol on Flare to be able to call on that compute. And that's kind of where we're going with the next.